Hello, life is creating and sharing. Today, I want to share with you cooking my lemon cinnamon smell in my Airbnb house in South San Francisco. My house is lovely turquoise house near SFO. S is San Francisco Airport. There's a lovely turquoise house near San Francisco Airport, and I hope you can come to visit. So there's something we want to make it very different. So no one will do this, and I'd like to do this because it's something special, unique. So what I did is making lemon cinnamon smell in the house before the guests check in. It's wonderful. So when our guests check in at 3 p.m., we will make the lemon cinnamon drink or cooking in at 1 p.m. So it takes 2 hours to making the lemon skin cooking with cinnamon, and then make sure that it will smell the entire house. And then you guess what? Because this is an automatic cooker. When it's dry, automatically burns, it won't get into trouble. So what I did, first thing first, I cleaned the lemon with hot water and sterilized the skin, wash all the chemical away, and then squeeze all the lemon juice, and then left all the lemon skin, and they still have a lot of nutrient and still have all the smell. So I put the lemon skin cooking with the cinnamon stick. And about 1 or 2 hours, the entire house smelled absolutely incredible. So you turn the trash to treasure. And our Airbnb guests really smell something they will never forget. They open the house, the entire house smell. How wonderful, isn't it? So life is creating and sharing. And I hope you're cooking your lemon cinnamon at your home. And you can smell them. It's absolutely incredible. And bye-bye. Hope you enjoy. Bye now.